So the challenge is that I will upload a shorts per day for 90 days. And after completing 90 days, I will tell you the analytics and the shorts of those videos. Day 1, I have to create a channel, but for that I will have to choose a niche first. Which I chose movie reviews because I have watched all the movies, so of course what could I have made better than that, so simply I created a new channel with the name which you will get to know about further. Then same day I uploaded a short at 9 AM around morning and it got around 1.5k views. And I was a little happy that the views came, and I uploaded a short for 10 days. On same time 9 AM sharp daily, in which many shorts did not get any views, and the shorts which got views were freezing after 2k, and then it's time for an experiment. I understood that I was doing something wrong. So for the next 5 days I decided to perform an experiment, and after that experiment literally it's put a question mark on my previous 10 days of work. And from that I got to know a mistake. Due to which my previous 10 days of work got a question mark. So did I get ruined because of my 10 days of work? So that experiment was simple. I used to upload videos on 9 AM regularly, but in those 5 days I started uploading shorts at different times, and the result is truly shocking. The shorts which I uploaded in more than normal time and those which I just shoveled in 10 to 15 minutes gap, the views in them actually increased. So I kept doing the same thing for the next 15 days, in which I added tags, description, remove and all the experiments. And now came the day 30, and from this I came to know that they actually matter. Because if my video was not going in the short feed, then it was going in the browse feature or suggestion from those tags, and after that it was going viral again in the short feed. So I didn't achieve much in those 30 days, but I got a basic idea how short algorithm actually works. So the next 30 days were going to be special for me, because now I knew everything. I just had to upload shorts. But in those days most of the videos following the same tricks again started to freeze on 1k, 2k views. But the question is that where was the mistake now? So I found something actually interesting, that my videos were going in the short feed and the swipe ratio was also very low, means that those who used to go to my shorts, they used to stop and enjoy watching it. Along with that my retention rate was also maintained above 90%. But still the views were not coming in the same way. So then I saw a shortfall in the likes and comments ratio, literally people were not interacting there. Then for the next 10 days I did some improvements in the shorts. Like I added some things on which people actually come and talk in the comments, which were fulfilled by trending topics, and most importantly I started cracking some of my jokes. And shockingly increased after 10 days. Now any video was like that in which the views were stuck, otherwise weekly every video on 15k was easy to go. Now the last 15 days in which I did something like this, which made me feel like I was going to lose weight. I converted my average 15k ratio to 2.2 million and every shot on 100k, and now my YouTube Shorts monetization criteria was this much. Yes, it doesn't make any monetization, but it does after doing 1 month of work. So now you have to know what I did in the last 15 days, so I will tell you all this. If this video completes 50 likes, you will get the notification as soon as the video comes. Till then we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.